This is Kenn Renner, real estate expert here in Central Texas, and I've helped thousands of home buyers into their homes, whether it be first time move up or retirement home, right here in Central Texas. I've been doing it for over 40 years. I've written the book on financing and I teach the classes on financing. Come on down, I'm going to show you how to do this. The truth is that I got my first real estate license and purchased my first home when I was 19 years old in Anchorage, Alaska. It was my sister that helped me through the process. She was a real estate broker. She helped me able to find the right property. She was able to help with the financing. She even co-signed with me on the loan. Also, she helped me fix some credit glitches along the way. It was a scary process. It was really tough at first, but because I had a really good guide, it made it really, really easy. And so it was like a dream come true to be able to be 19 years old and go from a roommate situation to owning my own home. So this is something that has led me to a lifetime career of helping buyers, whether it be first-time home buyers, move-up buyers, or even empty nesters and luxury buyers. But really, I want to focus on our first-time and move-up. And I also want to invite you to my home buying crash course, where I teach you how to do that through the book that I wrote on the home buying. Go over a couple chapters on that. We go over the reasons why you'd want to purchase a home, and then the 10 steps of the home buying process, and how to make you the winner when it comes to buying your next home. Put you in the best position right now in this buyer's market right here in Central Texas. So the presentation will be live at the DR Horton Model Home, and it will also be streamed live on the website. Home Buying Crash Course has a streaming button too. So if you can't make it, or if you're out of state or out of the country, just go to homebuyingcrashcourse.com. Right at that time, it'll be right there on YouTube, May 23rd, 11 a.m. Central Time, and Home Buying Crash Course is the URL. So I'll see you at 11 a.m. See you at the top.